Welcome to LifeBuildz. This is my 2019 Kx450 and today we're going to make it look absolutely epic. So here she is, about as stock as you can get. Plastics are pretty beat up. As you can tell, we got some damage there. It's all worn through here. You got some ugly stickers. Let's go ahead and transform this 2019 Kx450 into an absolutely beautiful machine.
Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boiling up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, better than take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. They'll take for fantasy.
Do you ever get invited on a dirt biking trip, but you just broke your dirt bike? And all you have left is your mom SUV? We're taking it in the sand dunes.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression.
You okay?
Yeah,
Holy shit, dude.
knocked the breath out of me.
Yeah. She's good. Hey, look. Oh, we broke the radiator mount.
That was already broken.
Oh, good. Let's see if the handlebars are straight. Wow.
Kawasaki couldn't do that.
Yeah. They're not straight.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, you flew like...
Do you see how far? Look, there's initial impact.
That's your head.
Is that my head?
That's your head. That's your dirt bike. That's your first point of hitting. And then your dirt bike stopped and you landed. That's your ass. That's your head.
BMW Can-Am!
Hell yeah! Well,
That didn't take too long.
broke a drive shaft. Yoink. Well, boys, Dunes 1, BMW 0. Broke the old drive shaft. It is what it is. Anyways, catch you guys next week.
I have no questions, I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
You're not having kids? I'll let your wife know. I'll give her a call. But not a bunch of skadoink. A little skadoinky the other way, you'll be fine. Man, what is that crazy noise?